Yep, we got our trusted advisor back today talking immigration law. Of course, this is the lovely, the amazing Saman Movassaghi Gonzalez. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you so much for having me back.
Yes. All right. Important topics we're going to touch on today.
Yes.
This is specifically on non-marriage-based immigration benefits.
Sure.
So we often hear a lot about, maybe fiancé visas and different things when it comes to getting benefits of immigration through that way. But could you explain maybe some of the other family-based immigration options that aren't based on marriage?
Absolutely. So U.S. immigration law allows, for example, for a parent to apply for their child. They also allow for what's called a parent to apply for an adult child and even a married child. So there are parent-to-child relationships that immigration law allows for. There's also sibling, brother and sister. They can apply for each other as well. So these are the different family-based categories. There's also the category if the parent is a lawful permanent resident, they can apply for their spouse, or excuse me, also for their child. And as well as U.S. citizen parents can apply for their adult children.
Are there any specific qualification within those? I mean, I know you're listing off parents,
right,
like things like that. Who exactly qualifies, though?
So that's a great question. Definitely, it's important to vet the relationship. So, for example, if you have a United States citizen parent father and he has a child, but maybe he wasn't married to the mother or his name is not on the birth certificate, that can create complications of identifying the relationship. So you want to make sure that that's identified first, but there are family-based immigration petitions other than marriage and fiancés.
And in those complicated scenarios, or maybe other complicated scenarios, if someone wants to come to the U.S. but doesn't have eligible family members, what pathways are available for them?
Right. So right now we just got information of the Trump card, which is $5 million to get your residency, which is now seeming to be a way. I don't know how many people have the $5 million, but if they do, that's an option. Yeah. If they don't, of course, there is employment-based sponsorships through a U.S. employer. There is also diversity visa lotteries that if an applicant meets the criteria from a country, they can get their residency. There's not a lot of options when it comes to residency options for the U.S. There's more temporary options for people, but definitely other than family, employment and entrepreneurial investment is a way to get your residency.
Well, and the good thing is there are options.
Yes.
No matter how many there might be, there are options, and we can find them always with you. All the knowledge, Saman, that you bring here on the show.
Thank you.
We know that there's so much more to learn and to find out, and you're always doing your research. So where can we go for more information?
Definitely. You guys can always reach us on our website at www.us-ilc.com and our socials on TikTok and on Instagram at immigration_attorney_Saman, SAMAN. And we try to pump out as much information and details as possible, and you're always welcome to give us a contact.
That's right. Saman Movassaghi Gonzalez, always here to help us here on ISF. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you so much.